Hey everyone, my name is Mrs. Richardson. I am a teacher and coach here at Bailey Junior High. This is my first year at Bailey, but this is not my first year teaching. I came from an elementary in Everman. That's a real quick summary about me. I am teaching 7th grade science, coaching all the things in athletics. I love getting to have each of your kiddos in class. They have all been great students, and it's fun to get to see the in-person kids, but also get to meet some of you through Zoom. One way that your kiddo can be super successful in my class is solely by turning in the assignments. That's been our biggest struggle this semester, is just the lack of turning in assignments. Your kid will always pass if those assignments get turned in. A little bit of effort goes a long way. If you ever have a student who is missing an assignment and they go and they turn it in late, please have them send me an email. I am only updating grades in the grade book if I get an email for a late assignment. I do not get notified of those late assignments being turned in, so I have no way of knowing if they're turned in unless the student sends me an email. If you ever need to reach me, you can reach me at krichard, Richard, at AISD.net. You can send me an email there. You can also send me an email through your student's Canvas course. I also check the inbox on Canvas. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I can't wait to get to know more of you. Have a great week.